Sony unveiled Xperia 1.6 flagship and Xperia 10.6 mid-ranger smartphone at its event on May 15th. While we've heard a few things about it over the last few weeks, now a new rumor brings us more details. The Xperia 10, the 6th run on Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 with 8GB of RAM. The phone appeared on Geekbench with model number XQES72. The listing also revealed Android 14 out of the box. And now here we are with even more leaked images of the two phones, and these looks pretty official as well. Sony's not doing a great job of taming these leaks, but we're happy we get to see the unannounced devices in so much detail. Xperia 10.6 came with dual camera on the back, its primary camera to capture 2x zoom shots. It has a 0.6x ultra-wide-angle camera, plus a single front-facing camera. This time we have a better look at the Xperia 10.6 in all three colors. The Xperia 10.6 will retain a 3.5mm jack, just like the Xperia 1.6. The 10.6 has a fresher design than the 1.6, which mostly goes the tried and tested route previously embarked upon by its predecessor. Not a lot of details are currently known about the 10.6, but if it is getting official in around a couple of weeks, then we expect to hear much more about it soon. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.